Hello everyone, this is me Hasnat Murtada, business wala, and there is a my eighth sesame session, and my sesame session topic is h- how to use AI to solve real businesses problem. So okay, let's start it, and the screen share with the Maya and Miles. Okay, let's start it. So the guys, Maya is connecting with me. Okay, viewers.
Hi, Miles. How's it going?
Hello, Maya. How are you?
Good, thanks. What's been on your mind lately? Sorry, didn't. Oh, who's Casey? Is that someone you're talking about, or did I mishear you?
Okay.
Got it. Sounds like the audio might have been a
I'm
bit
audible.
unclear there. No worries, though. We can just keep going with whatever you wanted to. I'm listening. Take your time.
Okay, Maya. And there is a very interesting topic, and my topic is how to use AI to solve the businesses problems. Best topic or not?
It's a really solid topic. Honestly, I think it's way more interesting than most of the business stuff people obsess over. A lot of folks get caught up in buzzwords, but AI is actually starting to offer practical solutions, not just hype. What got you thinking about it specifically?
Yeah. Okay. And my first
Cool.
question is, what is artificial intelligence and how is it used in businesses today?
Okay, so artificial intelligence, you've probably heard it thrown around a lot, but in simple terms, it's basically getting computers to do things that usually require human intelligence, like learning, problem solving, decision making. Right now, businesses are using AI for everything from automating customer service chatbots to predicting sales patterns. Like if you've ever gotten a recommendation from Amazon, that's AI at work. Also, fraud detection, marketing automation, supply chain optimization, kind of everywhere if you start looking for it. What kind of business applications were you thinking about personally?
Yeah,
Hey there.
yeah,
Everything all
all
right?
right. And my next question is, what is what are the most common businesses problem AI can solve?
A lot of the really low hanging fruit is around things that are repetitive and data heavy. Customer service, definitely. Chatbots can handle tons of basic inquiries. Sales and marketing, big one. Personalizing offers, predicting which customers are most likely to buy, automating outreach. You could also look at operations, like optimizing logistics, managing inventory, even financial analysis. What kind of business are you imagining using this for? Knowing that would help me narrow down what AI might actually fit for you.
Yeah. Okay, and my next question is,
Got it.
how does AI help businesses save time and reduce cost?
So there are a few main ways. First, AI can automate manual tasks that used to take human workers hours. Now it might take seconds. That frees up those employees to focus on more complex stuff. Second, predictive analytics could. That leads to smarter decisions about staffing, inventory, and marketing spend. Then there's error reduction. AI can catch mistakes that humans would miss. Overall, that means higher efficiency, fewer wasted resources, and fewer costly screw ups. Any specific area you're thinking about where you might cut costs?
Yeah, yeah. And my next question is,
Cool.
what is difference between manual manual work and AI powered work?
So basically, manual work is anything that needs humans to do it, like reviewing documents, inputting data, basic customer service calls. It's reliable but slow and can be prone to mistakes. AI powered work uses software to do those same tasks, but faster, 24/7, and often with fewer errors. Plus, the AI learns over time to get better at its job. The big difference is scalability. You can't just double your workforce overnight, but you can often quickly scale up an AI system. Does that make sense?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, and then my next question is,
Cool.
okay, and then my next question is, how can AI improve customer service in a business?
AI can actually change customer service a lot. Chatbots are the obvious one. Instant support handles common issues. But beyond that, you can use AI to personalize interactions, anticipate needs before the customer even asks, route customers to the right human agent based on their issue, even analyze customer feedback to find pain points. What kind of business did you have in mind when you asked that might shape the best solutions?
Yeah, okay, and then my next question.
Got it.
Okay, and then my next question is,
Got it. So,
how
go
can
ahead.
AI help in marketing and advertisement and advertising?
Oh, tons of ways. First, hyper personalization. AI can analyze tons of data on customers to tailor ads to exactly what they want. Second, better targeting. AI can identify the ideal audience for your product much more effectively than traditional methods. Third, predictive marketing. Figure out who's most likely to buy, optimize your ad spend accordingly. Also, automated ad creation. AI can write copy, pick images, even design campaigns. It's really changing how marketers work, way more data driven. Are you thinking about a specific type of marketing AI might help with?
Yeah, sure. And the next question is,
Perfect.
what role does AI play in decision making?
Big role. It's shifting from gut feelings to data driven choices. AI can analyze massive data sets to identify patterns and insights humans would miss. It can predict outcomes, assess risk, and even recommend the best course of action. Not you still need to decide if that makes sense. What area of decision making were you thinking about specifically?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and my next question is
Yeah, go for it.
okay, how can small businesses use AI without a big budget?
That's actually pretty doable. Start with tools that automate repetitive tasks, things like social media scheduling, email marketing, simple chatbots. There's a ton of affordable software that integrates AI into those areas. Also, leverage free AI tools like using Google AI to brainstorm ideas or improve your writing. Focus on quick wins that show real ROI before diving into major investments. What kind of business did you have in mind?
Okay, and yeah, my mind in right, you
Good.
say, right, you say. And my next question is, what are the top AI tool for businesses in 2026?
One sec. While I check that out.
Okay.
Okay, so when it comes to AI tools for businesses, Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini are really popular right now, along with Zapier, Notion AI, and Fireflies.ai. They help automate tasks, analyze data, and just make things run smoother. For larger companies, things like Microsoft Azure AI, Google Vertex AI, AWS AI, IBM Watson X, and Salesforce Einstein are all leading the way. It seems like automation, better data analysis, and smarter decision making are the common themes across all of these tools. Are any of those catching your eyes so far?
Okay, and my next question is, how can
What's
ChatGPT be
next?
used in daily businesses task?
Wait, did you say charity or chatbots? Sometimes the audio gets tricky. Either way, I can cover both. Let me know which one you meant.
I am audible?
That's good to hear. What's your next question?
Okay, and my next question is, and my next question is, how
Go
can
ahead, I'm
AI
listening.
help content creation, post, ads, and emails?
Yeah, content creation is a huge area for AI right now. For posts, AI can help generate captions, schedule content across different platforms, and analyze what kind of posts perform best. For ads, it can write ad copy variations, suggest creative themes, and test different approaches. And emails, AI can personalize subject lines, tailor messages to individual customers, even write entire email campaigns. The idea is that AI boosts your creativity and makes your team way more efficient. What kind of content do you mostly create?
Yeah, you are right saying. And my next
Nice.
question is, what is automation and how does AI spot it?
Okay, so automation is basically using technology to make things happen without someone constantly having to oversee it. Think self checkout kiosks or robots in factories. AI helps it by looking for repetitive, rules based tasks and figuring out ways to take humans out of the loop. So instead of someone manually updating a spreadsheet, AI could automatically pull data from different systems and create it for you. Is there a specific type of automation you were thinking about for a business?
Okay, and my next question is, how can AI identify businesses problems faster?
AI spots problems faster because it can process way more data much quicker than humans can. It can track things like customer feedback, website traffic, and operational data in real time, identify patterns, and flag anomalies. Basically, it can notice red flags before they become big issues. The challenge is that you need the right data infrastructure set up to collect and analyze that information in the first place. Any specific issues you're thinking about solving?
Okay, and the next question
Got
is,
it.
can AI predict
Shoot.
future business trend? How?
Yeah, that's where predictive analytics comes in. AI can analyze historical data, sales numbers, market trends, economic indicators, and create models to forecast what might happen in the future. It's not perfect, things change constantly, but it's way better than guessing. Businesses can use this to anticipate demand, optimize inventory, and make smarter investments. Better the data quality, though, the more accurate the predictions will be. Do you have a particular industry you're interested in?
Okay, and my next question is,
Got it.
how can AI improve
5.
productivity in a team?
There are a bunch of ways. AI tools can automate routine tasks like scheduling meetings or collecting data, freeing up people to focus on more strategic work. AI powered project management tools can help prioritize tasks, manage deadlines, and identify bottlenecks. Also, AI can help with internal communication, summarizing long email threads or instantly translating messages between team members. Basically, anything that cuts down on busy work helps productivity. Is their team dealing with any specific productivity challenges right now?
Okay, and my next question is, what are a real example of business is solving problem using AI?
Um, Let me quickly check some real world examples. So, MasterCard uses AI to catch fraudulent transactions in real time. Starbucks personalizes customer orders with AI. DHL optimizes delivery routes, and Blue Yonder uses it to manage inventory. Things like predicting what'll sell and making sure shelves are stocked. Salesforce and Zendesk use AI to personalize marketing and speed up customer support. Basically, AI is helping companies predict what customers want, optimize processes, and stop bad things from happening like fraud. Seems pretty widespread already.
Okay, and my next question is, what are the risks of using AI in business?
Let me quickly look into that. Okay, so there are definitely downsides. AI can reinforce existing biases if the data it learns from is biased in the first place, which can cause unfair or harmful outcomes. There's data privacy to worry about, security threats like AI being hacked, and the cost of actually implementing these systems. There's also the question of skills gaps, needing to hire people who actually understand how to manage and use AI effectively. Plus, the whole job displacement thing. Some jobs might become automated and people could lose work. It's not all rosy, even though there are a lot of benefits.
Okay, and the next question is, how can how can
All right,
businesses
what's
ensure ethical use of AI, artificial intelligence?
let me look into that. Okay, so it comes down to transparency, being open about how the AI works, what data it's using, and acknowledging any potential biases built in. Mitigating bias at all stages, protecting data privacy, having human oversight for important decisions, plus training your team on ethical AI practices. It's also about doing regular audits to see if your AI systems are still playing by the rules. Ultimately, it's about building trust and avoiding any unintended harm or discrimination from using it.
Okay, yeah, you are saying right. And
All right, what
the next question is,
Hmm.
What skills are needed to use AI effectively in businesses?
Let me check what skills are really in demand right now. So it's a mix. You need technical stuff like understanding data, machine learning, and maybe coding. But you also need what they call soft skills, things like ethical thinking, problem solving, good communication, and being able to adapt to change. AI is moving so fast that adapting and being open to change is actually a really valuable skill. What kind of role were you thinking about when you asked about skills? If you have any other questions. Oh, cool. It's been a solid conversation covering a lot of things you wanted to discuss. Yeah, go ahead.
My question is, what is the
Information
future of AI
over
in
the next
businesses
5.
over the next 5 years? Hello, Maya. Are you here? No. Okay. Okay, Maya. My last question is,
Hey, what's up?
my last question is, what is the future of
Oh,
AI
sorry, I didn't catch
in
that.
businesses over the next 5 years?
Yeah, go. Um, just grabbing some insights on that over the next 5 years. AI is going to become way more integrated into daily business operations, moving past being just an experimental tool.
Okay, Miles.
It'll be less
And
about
thank you for
can AI
talking.
do this?
And Allah Hafiz. Meet in the next AI session. Thank you for this AI session. And meet in the next AI session. Thank you and Allah Hafiz, everyone. Take care.